Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing of Bellaartdenicole. If you're tuning in for the first time, welcome to my channel. Let's see what we got here. Card, Bellaartdenicole, and a QR code. A beautiful butterfly. They were now in this order. I'll start off by saying in this order, I have two small. I should have two small Ombre Trays, a large Ombre Tray. Well, two large Ombre Trays actually, and a multi-placer. I chose a two-placer in red. Okay. So one thing I do want to preface about the butterfly stickers is they don't come in every order. They were doing these during their Butterflies with Diamond events. Of course, as soon as I say that, they might decide they're going to do them with every order. Who knows? So these ombre trays are totally a mystery. You don't know what color you're going to get. This is a pretty one. It is like a pink, a dark pink fading into a purple color. Very, very pretty. That was a large tray. The small ones, looks like we got orange. Those, oh, there's my multi-placer. The orange is really pretty. This is a yellowish orange fading to darker, and then the lid on here is bright orange. This one, same basic thing. Ooh, the different sides of the tray are different. Is that how it is on this one? Yes. Okay, those are really cool. I like the color. I like the color of that. It reminds me of fire. Actually, it kind of reminds me of one of those popsicles. Those round, big round, thick popsicles. Let me know in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Oh, and this one goes from like a purple to a green. Pretty. The last ombre that I ordered was a fading from one green to another. So this is a cool kind of a different one. I like that. Why? Oh, goodness. Whoa. Sorry. Sorry about that. I don't know why, but I am not getting this. Oh boy. This is not fitting in there quite right. I feel like it's the lid. Let me see. Hey Lavender, what's up? Thanks for joining me.
Well, I could help.
Yeah, you can try. I don't know. This lid isn't fitting very good on there. Let's look at the. My daughter just walked up. See, she seems to think that she can get that lid on there better than me. I don't know. Maybe she can.
Oh, it's just flipped other way.
Well, I'm telling you, it's kind of messed up a little bit. Okay, this is the two-placer. I love it. I have the perfect pin for this to go on, although I'll probably switch this around a bit. I think actually after seeing this, I think I'm going to order some more red multi-placers. I really like that one a lot. Love the red, love it.
It's not that flat.
I know. I think I'm gonna have to contact them about that. This just, cause see, even if I straighten it out a little bit and kind of guide it on there, it's still
hard.
Still not quite working. And as you see, when it's closed, it's not really closed. I'm not really concerned about this though, because, you know, this company is amazing, guys. If you haven't checked them out, go ahead and check them out. They have a Facebook group. They also, have a website. It's Bellaartdenicole.com. right here on the card right there, Bellaartdenicole. And you know, I highly recommend these trays. I can't say it enough. The company is great. The people, the couple who runs the company is great. They're really friendly, really nice. Every time I've had a problem, well, I've only had one problem. That was the rose gold tray. They happily replaced it, so I'm not worried about it. Their customer service is great. So we'll see about getting that one fixed. These are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you want to see me pouring drills into the trays, go ahead and check out one of my other videos. I'm going to skip it this time. So that's all for this video, guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you think these are awesome. If you like the colors, let me know which one is your favorite, which one you like the best. This green one is really cool. I think I like the orange ones the best. I think those are really, really awesome. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Hit the notification bell to know when I post videos, because I don't post on a schedule and I never know when I'm going to post. So that means you'll never know when I'm going to post. So if you want to not miss anything, that's what you got to do. Or just check back on my channel regularly. Totally up to you. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.